Hi, today I'm going to speak about how to heal a broken heart with using a rose quartz crystal. So, true story, a woman held a rose quartz heart in front of her heart chakra, or she placed it on that area, and with intention, she released all sadness, disappointment, rejection. I'm not sure the emotions, but grief, rejection. And after she got finished, she didn't cleanse the crystal in a bowl of water or under water under the faucet. She placed it on her altar, and I don't know how soon afterwards it broke into a million pieces. Of course, not a million pieces, but it broke into many, many pieces. So that just is a testimony that crystals absorb our energies when we have an intention of, when we're working with them, of releasing stuff. And so they are conscious beings and they understand. The other thing is, which a lot of people don't know, that in order to broadcast music and spoken word, radio, there is a quartz crystal in technology. So it amplifies what you put into it. So when you speak, you are your own radio. And so what you put into this crystal, it amplifies it. So you can, when you say I decree or my decree, when you decree something, it's this more of a command. And so you can say something like, you can first say, I align myself 100% with my I am presence, my holy Christ self, my true multidimensional self, with the absolute creator who created me from the very beginning of time. I intend to release all sadness, all pain, all regret, all grief, all rejection into this beautiful crystal. I give gratitude and thanks to this crystal, to the Creator, for helping me to purify and cleanse my heart chakra now. So be it, and so it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And just feel how long you feel comfortable doing it. You can do it for an hour, you can do it for 10 minutes, you can do it for 30 minutes. And then afterwards, you can cleanse the crystal, and then you can continue to use it. And most likely, you may start to feel more of a lightness, a weight being lifted off of this area. This is where people hold grief in the lungs, and it's so important to release as much grief as you possibly can, because one doesn't need to hold on to grief. One doesn't need to hold on to negativity or sadness or rejection. We can free ourselves from it now. So if you have any questions or comments, experiences, please leave comments for me, because I do enjoy when I get some feedback. So thank you. Have a happy, peaceful heart chakra. May you be blessed with lots and lots of love from within and all around you.